All right, here we're going to do a couple of practice problems on the laws of exponents. All right, so I want to simplify this right here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part here and put it down into the take this part here and put it down into the denominator, making that an exponent of a positive 2. And I'm going to take this part and move it up into the numerator and make it a positive 1 for the exponent. So I have mn to the positive 1 in the numerator and negative m squared n to the negative 1 to the positive 2 in the denominator. And so now I'm going to multiply this out. So this is going to give me m n in the numerator, and negative 1 squared, that's just going to be 1, times m squared squared is going to be m to the 4th. And then n to the negative 1 squared is going to be n to the negative 2. Right? So now in this next step, I'm going to take this n, put it into the numerator with a positive 2 power. So this is going to become m n times n squared, so I'll do it in 2 steps, divided by, in the denominator now we just have m to the 4th. Right? So now this m here takes away one of these m's and leaves us with m cubed. So then in the numerator we have n times n squared, which is n cubed. And in the denominator we also have m cubed. Okay, so this is how that simplifies. All right, let's do this one now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the fraction and make that exponent positive 2. And now I'm going to simplify the numerator, or I should just say really multiply it out. So I have 2 cubed, which is 8, times x to the power of 3, times y to the negative 2 to the power of 3, so that becomes y to the negative 6. Then we have 4, x squared, y squared. And then all of that is squared. All right, so now the 4 goes away, and it takes part of that and leaves us with a factor of 2. This x squared cancels with 2 of these x's, leaving us with x to the power of 1. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this y to the negative 6 and bring it down into the denominator as y to the positive 6. So I have 2x in the numerator over y squared, y to the 6th. And that is being raised to the power of 2. Right, so this portion right here is going to become y to the 8th, so y to the 2 plus 6. So we have 2x over y to the 8th, and that is being squared. So we have 4x squared divided by y to the 8th squared, so y to the 8th times 2, or y to the power of 16. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this r squared t cubed to the negative 3, drop it down into the denominator as r squared t cubed to the positive 3. So I'm just going to have 1 left in the numerator. Okay, so then I'm going to take care of these 2 individual exponents here. So r squared cubed is going to be r to the 6th. T cubed cubed will be t to the 9th. R to the negative 3 squared is going to be r to the negative 6th. T squared squared is going to be t to the 4th. So now I'm going to combine these 2 t's, and I'm going to realize that I have r to the 6th times r to the negative 6, and that's going to cancel out. I'll go ahead and show you an extra step just in case it's helpful. So I'll take this r to the negative 6, put it into the numerator. So it's going to be r to the 6th over r to the 6th times t to the 13th, which these 2, as I said, will cancel out. So 1 over t to the 13.